Good morning, everyone. Today is our third day. It's 5 a.m. in the morning, and if you can hear the rain, this is 100% rain outside, and the tent has no leak at all. Actually, it's bright outside, but the camera is not catching it up yet, so I'm using this Ozark Trail lantern. So for these 3 days, 2 nights, we're using this every single night for around like an hour or two, before we sleep. Still so bright. The smallest size. They have 2 small size lanterns and 1 big one. The big one we put in the car. We forgot we bring it yesterday. So yeah, this is so good. For $23, we put it right there. Sometimes we put it up there, here. But I'm just lazy to come up. Or you can also hang it there. So this tent is so versatile for 6 people actually. We are only 4, and this is so much space for 4 of us. This we put our stuff around here. Small size of that Ozark Trail. This one, we put it here, we hang it. This is some of our emergency stuff. The air horn, pepper spray, lights, the headlights, the flashlights. We put it there in case bear come. Just boop. And from this opening here, the net, the rain is not coming through, which is good. I was waking up earlier because I thought the rain will come through this and we will be wet, but it was not. Yeah, this tent is really good, and there is no bug coming. So you guys can see here, water from outside. The tent was around $60 from Walmart, and this is for 6%. So this is the cheapest tent that I can find from Walmart. We wanted to buy the second hand even, but we didn't get because it's sold. This much rain, fortunately the campsite was not flooded, maybe because the lake is there to gather the water, and also this number 1 campsite, it is slanted. There was no muddy puddle after the rain. Now it's around 6 a.m. in the morning, and the rain is still so much. So about this tent, if you can see here the tent, this opening there, why don't they just put it all the way down here, right? Like it's top here, which we can't see outside if we just sit down. It's just too high for us. If only this can come until here, then we can see all the way through like this, like even more. I don't know why they put it like this. The rain was stopped around 8 a.m. and we immediately packed up our stuff, fold our tent and stuff, and put back everything to the car and went home from the campsite. So that day, in the afternoon, there was a thunderstorm and it was severe. So many places in New Jersey was flooded because of that. Fortunately, we went home early, so we were home already, safe and sound.
We didn't eat breakfast yet, so we're going to Dunkin' to eat breakfast.
Okay everyone, we are done for today, the third day of our camping. Actually we have still some 3-4 hours, but we decided to just be done and go home because today is Monday. The tent, and because it's all wet, we are not really folding it, but we will dry it off at home first and just tidy it up at home later.
So that's all our camping at Sawmill Campsite, High Point State Park, New Jersey. Don't forget to check out the day 1, day 2 that has 2 parts. Those videos might help you if you wanna have camping at Sawmill Campsite, High Point State Park. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.